Adding and subtracting algebraic fractions. In this video, we will learn how to add and subtract algebraic fractions. The method for adding or subtracting algebraic fractions is the same to that for numerical fractions. When adding or subtracting algebraic fractions, the first thing to do is to put them onto a common denominator, because this is the only one rule for adding or subtracting fractions. Let's review the basic process. To add these fractions, we have to get the lowest common denominator. The lowest common denominator is the smallest number that both denominators can divide into without remainders. In this case, the number is 21. To change the denominator of 3 into 21 requires multiplying by 7. We must multiply the top and bottom by 7. To change the denominator of 7 into 21 requires multiplying by 3. We must multiply the top and bottom by 3. Now we add only the numerators. Write as a single fraction. The lowest common multiple for 6 and 9 is 18. And to create the lowest common multiple of 18, the first term gets multiplied top and bottom by 2. And the second term gets multiplied top and bottom by 3. Now we add only the numerators. When the denominators contains a variable, the same process is used. The lowest common multiple will need to contain the largest power of that variable represent. The largest power of x in this problem is 2, so the lowest common multiple contains x to the second power multiplied by the lowest common multiple for 5 and 1, which is 5. The first term gets multiplied top and bottom by x. And the second term gets multiplied top and bottom by 5. Now we subtract only the numerators, and we should factorize if it's possible. The largest power of y is 1. The largest power of x is 2, so the lowest common multiple contains y to the first power multiplied by x to the second power. The first term gets multiplied top and bottom by x squared. The second term gets multiplied top and bottom by xy. And the third term gets multiplied top and bottom by y. Now we add and subtract only the numerators. The largest power of x minus 6 is 1, so the lowest common multiple contains x minus 6 to the first power multiplied by 7. The first term gets multiplied top and bottom by 7. The second term gets multiplied top and bottom by x minus 6. Now we subtract only the numerators. If we have a more complex numerator, then we place brackets around it. This helps to make sure we get our signs correct. The next few examples will test your skills in factorizing out algebraic expressions. You should try to resolve them yourself and then check the complete resolution. If you enjoyed the content of this video, don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask or suggest anything. I will be grateful.